class, today we are going to learn how to use commas in a series. The rule is you separate 3 or more items in a series by adding a comma after each item except for the last one. An example of this is Eric, Doug, and Adam learned how to braid hair today. So what we're going to do is you have a comma after Eric, a comma after Doug, and you don't have one after Adam because that's the last one in the series. So again, Eric, Doug, and Adam is a series. Eric and Doug both have commas, and Adam does not because he is the last item in the series. The next example is Sam, Eric, and Kyle like to read books. So class, we have commas after Sam, we have a comma after Eric, and we don't have a comma after Kyle because Kyle is the last one, is the last item in the series. And again, the rule states that the items after each item in the series except for the last one, so Sam has a comma after it, Eric has a comma after it, and Kyle does not. Again, the rule: separate 3 or more items in a series by adding a comma after each item except the last one. Oh. Okay. So here's another example. This one's a non-example though, why it doesn't work, or when not to use it. Peanut butter and jelly go great together. And we don't use commas because the rule states 3 or more in a series. And there's only 2 items in this series. Or so it's not even a series actually. So again, you wouldn't use a comma because peanut butter and jelly there are not 3 items there, so we wouldn't use any commas. Next example, peanut butter, jelly, and bread are the ingredients we need to make a PB&J sandwich. So, Kyle, where should the commas be? Are the commas correct in this sentence, or should we add or any more? Yes, Kyle, that is correct. The commas are in the correct answer, or in the correct place. So this is the series, peanut butter, jelly, and bread are the ingredients to make a PB&J sandwich. So this is a series, and we are correct, Kyle, when he says there's commas after peanut butter and jelly. Anchovies and jelly do not go well together. Are there any commas in this sentence, Laura?
No, there are not.
No, that is correct, Laura. There isn't any commas in this sentence because there are only 2 items in the sentence, not 3. Again, these are the 2 items, there's not 3, so there are no commas. Finally, class, we're going to go over the rule again, and then so separate 3 or more items in a series by adding a comma after each item except for the last one. And then finally, students, now on your whiteboard slates, write a sentence with a series in it, and using correct commas. Any questions? Class? Going once? Going twice?
Tom, do you have any questions?
No questions. Alright. Good luck, and I'll be here if you have any questions.